Exercise 7C, question number 10, first one. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that A square plus AB plus B square divided by B square plus BC plus C square is equal to A by C. Answer. Given A, B, C are in continued proportion, A, B, C are in continued proportion, that is, how can we write? A is to B proportion to B is to C. So A by B is equal to B by C. Let it be K. K. We are saying it as K. So that is A by B is equal to K and B by C is equal to K. So A is equal to cross multiply. A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK. Again this A we can rearrange. A is equal to replace B as CK. Instead of B, we can replace it as CK. So A can be written as what? CK into K. So CK, B in place of B, we can replace it as CK. CK into K. So A is equal to CK square. So now we got A is equal to CK square and B is equal to CK. Any doubt in this?
No.
Then take LHS. Cross multiply A by B is equal to K means K can be written as K by 1. Cross multiply A is equal to BK. Similarly, B by C is equal to K by 1. So cross multiply we will get B is equal to CK. Okay.
Okay.
The next LHS. LHS A square plus AB plus B square is divided by B square plus BC plus C square. So A is CK square, the whole square. A square. So A CK square, the whole square, plus A CK square into B CK plus B square means CK the whole square. So divided by B square means CK the whole square plus BC. B is what? CK into C. Don't want to change C. So C square as C square itself. So what about C K square? The whole square. Square is common for both. So it will be C square K raised to 4 plus what will be? Do this. C square K raised to 3. Any doubt in this? Plus C square K square. Check it the numerator. Any doubt?
K square
K square
K square
plus
plus
C
C
bracket
square
means
K
into.
cube
So C into C square K only plus C square.
D.
Is it CK numerator? C square, C square, C square.
C square.
C square. Okay. C square. Then K raised to 4, K raised to 3, K square.
So C square.
K.
C translate.
C square. K square we can take, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Then remaining
K square
K square
plus
K
K plus
plus
1.
1 divided by here denominator only
C
C
square.
square we can take.
C square.
C square. Then remaining
K square
K square
plus 1.
plus
K plus 1.
K plus 1.
1.
Then K square plus K plus 1, K square plus
Cancel.
K plus 1 cancel. C square
Square.
cancel. We will
C
get it as
square.
K square. LHS we got it as K square. Then take RHS. RHS is equal to
A divided by
C.
C.
So A we can write it as what?
CK
K
square.
divided
K
by
square divided by C.
Cancel.
C cancel.
C cancel. We will get it as
K
K
square.
square.
K
So
square.
RHS we got
Therefore,
K square.
RHS is equal to
Therefore, LHS is
LHS
equal to.
equal to RHS.
RHS.
So that question you want to write.
Therefore,
That is question. 10th second part of homework. Then 11th one, using properties of proportion. So you should use component or dividend or which property it is applicable. You should do that. Then use properties of proportion. Solve for x. First one, root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 divided by root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 is equal to 7 by 3. So apply component or dividend of both sides, LHS and RHS together. Start applying component or dividend of. So what will be root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 plus root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 divided by, right now, root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 plus root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 divided by denominator minus. So x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 minus of bracket root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 is equal to 7 plus 3 divided by 7 minus 3. Right side also you should do. So it will be what? Change the brackets, denominator. Root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16. If you can add it directly, you add. No problem. Root of x minus 16 divided by root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16. Change the bracket. Minus x plus 5. Root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 is equal to 7 plus 3, 10 divided by 4. Then anything to cancel numerator? X minus 16, root of x minus 16 we can cancel, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then root of x plus 5, root of x plus 5 will be
X plus 5.
Cancel ആവില്ല.
so what will be?
അതല്ലേ
X plus x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? 2x എഴുതും. X plus x എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം?
2x.
One apple plus another apple is 2 apples. So same way root of x plus 5 plus
root apple.
root of x plus 5 plus root of x plus 5 is what?
X plus
2 into root of x plus 5.
2 into 2 times root of x plus 5. Read out.
Of x minus x.
2 into root of x plus 5 divided by x minus root of x plus 5, root of x plus 5 cancel. No, minus plus cancel. Remaining root of x minus 16 and root of
2 into root of x minus
16 is equal to 10 by 4. Here 2 we can cancel. Okay. Then root of x plus 5 divided by root of x minus 16. So wherever we see this root, what we will do to avoid that root? To delete that root. That is clear. Nowadays, no. Root കളയണമെങ്കിൽ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് both sides. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര വരും? റൂട്ട് പോയി. വെറും നമ്പർ മാത്രമാണ്. എത്ര വരും? x plus 5.
X plus 5 by x minus 16 is equal to 100 by 40.
X plus 5 divided by x minus 16 is equal to 10 square divided by 4 square. Squaring both sides. That is x plus 5 divided by x minus 16 is equal to 100 divided by 16. ഇത് സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിന്റെ അർത്ഥം അറിയാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇത് നോക്കൂ. root of x plus 5 നെ divided by root of x minus 16 സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ്സ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് മൊത്തം സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യാം. That means numerator square separated, denominator square separated. ഇതൊന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട, ഇത് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞു മാത്രം.
16 അല്ലേ?
64 അല്ല.
Okay, 16. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എത്ര വരും? റൂട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1/2 ആണ്. സോ x plus 5 റൂട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1/2. പിന്നെ അതിന് പുറത്തൊരു സ്ക്വയർ ഉണ്ട്. അതേപോലെ ഇവിടെ x plus 16, sorry, x minus 16 റൂട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ whole raised to 1/2 ആണ്. അതിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ. അപ്പൊ ഈ 2 എക്സ്പാൻസ് a raised to m the whole raised to n എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a raised to m into n അപ്പൊ 1/2 into 2 ആണ് ഇത് വരിക.
2 to
X plus 5 the whole raised to 1/2 into 2 എന്നാണ് ശരിക്കും വരിക. ആ 2 ഉം 2 ഉം ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്താൽ x plus 5 whole raised to 1. x plus 5 whole raised to 1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ
plus
എത്രയാ?
5.
x plus 5.
X plus 5.
അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് വരുന്നത്. ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ ഇവിടെ അതുപോലെ x minus 16.
Minus 6.
അപ്പൊ ഇത്രയും സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എഴുതണ്ട. അതിന് പകരം
ഒറ്റയടിക്ക്.
സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ റൂട്ട് കളയുക, ഇതിനെ x plus 5
അവിടെ
ബൈ x minus 16 എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി വർക്കിംഗ് കോളത്തിൽ വേണമെങ്കിൽ എഴുതി വെച്ചോളൂ. So 100 divided by 16. So next step, cancel, no? Can we cancel this? Tell me, these two forms. Table of 4 possible, no? 4 4s are 16. 25 into 4. 100.
Right.
Directly we can cancel with the 4. Or you do with the 2. You will get 25 by 4.
Okay.
Okay. First, if you are doing with the 2, again you want to do with the 2. So 100 divided by 16, you will get it as 25 by 4. Then, now we got x plus 5 divided by x minus 16 is equal to 25 by 4. We want to find the value of what? X. So simplified form. Which way is better for this? Cross multiply.
അറിയാതെ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത ആൻസർ കിട്ടുമോ?
Cross multiply 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 25 into x minus 16. So 4x plus 20 is equal to 25x minus 25 into 16 is what?
400.
400. 400 is equal to. So which one we want to take to the right side? Number or x?
4x.
4x അങ്ങോട്ടും 400 ഇങ്ങോട്ടും.
4x. Then 20 plus 400. 420 is equal to 21x. Therefore, x is equal to 420 divided by 21. 21 into 2, 42. No? 21 into 2 is 42. So answer value
20.
x is equal to 20.
question.
Second question. Same root of x plus
ഞാൻ തുടങ്ങിട്ടാ എന്നിട്ട്
plus root of x
ഓഫ്
minus
ചെയ്തു.
divided by. Don't look at the board, okay? നിങ്ങളുടെ വഴി ചെയ്താൽ മതി, ബോർഡ് നോക്കണ്ട. 4x minus 1 divided by 2.
അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയാവില്ലല്ലോ.
അപ്പം വീഡിയോ ക്ലോസ്
അറിയേണ്ടത്.
4x minus 3 ഇല്ലേ അവിടെ വരെ ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു.
Then what? Same, adding. First we are applying component or dividend. Here you should write what? Apply component or dividend. Component or dividend. Then root of x minus 1 here plus here minus. So it will cancel. Here root of x plus 1 minus root of x plus 1. Different signs. So it will cancel. So remaining numerator 2 times root of x plus 1 divided by 2 times root of x minus 1. 2 we can cancel. Then here integers minus 1 plus 2. One sign is half.
One sign is positive and another sign is negative.
Subtract and put the bigger number.
Put a bigger number sign plus this bigger.
Plus 1 divided by
plus this
2
bigger.
signs are negative. Add and put the
negative sign.
So negative 3. So up to this
What a
completed.
component.
Completed.
Okay.
minus 1.
Okay, x squaring both sides.
X plus 1 minus
x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to
equal to
16x square.
4x square.
16x square plus 1.
4x plus 1 whole square.
Very good. 4x plus 1 squaring both sides means 4x plus 1 whole square divided by
4x
minus 3 whole square. Squaring. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Denominator is in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So do it. X plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to what? 4x the whole square. A
മാം
square.
45 കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയി.
Hmm.
48.
4 complete it. Soon. 4x the whole square plus 2 into 4x into 1 plus 1 square divided by 4x the whole square minus 2 into 4x into 3 plus 3 square. No? 2ab.
Yes.
Then simplify that. This plus 1 divided by 16x square minus 8x into 3. 8 into 3. Come on here, I think so. Yes or no?
24.
Yeah, I thought into plus 9. Again applying component of dividend, so it will be x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 is equal to 16x square plus 8x plus 1 plus 16x square minus 24x plus 9 divided by 16x square plus 8x plus 1 minus of 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Here we are applying component of dividend. Component of dividend. So minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. Numerator it will be 2x. Then doing the working order. X plus 1 minus x minus into minus plus 1. Changing the brackets. X plus 1 minus x plus 1. So x and x will cancel. Remaining it will be
2.
2x divided by 2 is equal to 16x square plus 16x square is what? 32x square. Then 8x and minus 24x will be 16 minus 16x minus 16x. Then 9 plus 1 10 divided by, if we are changing this bracket, so minus 16x square will become here minus 16x square minus into minus plus 24x minus 9. So this will be minus 16x square plus 24x minus 9.
പക്ഷെ അവിടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ?
പറ്റും. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ആ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യാം. Bracket change ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം 16x square we can cancel. Remaining it will be 32x. Then minus 8 denominator. So 2 cancel. X is equal to what will be 32x square minus 16x plus 10 divided by 32x minus 8. X can be written as x by 1 cross multiply. So you will get the answer. So x into 32x minus 8 is equal to 32x square minus 16x plus 10. So changing the brackets, 32x square minus 8x is equal to 32x square minus 16x plus 32x square cancel. X together. So minus 8x, this 16x you can the left side, so it will be positive 16x is equal to 10. So negative 8x plus 16. X is equal to 8x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 8. Cancel. 5 by
4.
So x is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, value of x is equal to. Thank you. 11th, third question homework. Okay, thank you.